We're on Srinagar's famous Dal Lake because in an area just ahead of where we're sailing right now is where a Pakistani drone was intercepted and actually fell into the Dal Lake. Now, before you get worried, I have permission to be here. I've spoken to the agencies because the drone that was shot down in airspace over Srinagar and crashed into the Dal Lake has been recovered by the agencies and has gone for analysis. But I wanted to give our viewers here on NDTV tracking our ground coverage just a sense of how in the middle of a population center, Pakistan has been sending offensive weapons. Now, we are told it was some kind of a long-range loitering munition or a drone. While we were reporting this morning, we heard a series of loud explosions, and it's difficult to pinpoint, but at least one of those explosions must have been the interception of a drone somewhere in this airspace, finally landing near that brick bridge right here on the Dal Lake. There have been as many as 14 explosions, including 2 in the afternoon, most of them in the morning. We are told that air defense systems have activated in and around Srinagar near the airport and beyond, bringing down a variety of drones, confirming once again that last night's drone strike attempts in Srinagar and several other places, we are told about 26 different places, is continuing today as well. We heard it with our own ears and it was captured on NDTV's cameras. What Pakistan does next will depend on how it handles the Indian airstrikes that have taken place as a retaliation on their military bases. Remember that phrase, military bases, viewer, because here in Srinagar, a highly populated city with lakhs of people living around the Dal Lake, Pakistan sent a loitering munition capable of killing lots of people right into a population center, signaling very, very clearly that it doesn't care for civilians and it doesn't differentiate between population centers and military targets. With Ashwini Mehra on the Dal Lake in Srinagar, Shiv Arur for NDTV.